Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi if you're new. Today I thought it'd be fun to share with you guys a get ready with me for back to school and an outfit idea for your first day. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I just did a simple everyday makeup look. I love wearing this. It takes less than 10 minutes. This is what I usually do on the daily, so it's super simple. It's mostly drugstore products, which is awesome because it's super affordable as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you guys do. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. I have been doing daily videos for the month of August, which is super fun. I have a back to school giveaway going on as well. I will insert a card, but let's just get right into it. So I love starting off with chapstick. It just is like really moisturizing while you're doing your makeup. I'm going to be using this instant pore eraser from Maybelline just to kind of hide any pores, and then I'm going to be taking some BB cream from CoverGirl. I love this because I'm still not ready for foundation yet because I still have a little bit of a tan going on. So I just apply this all over my face and onto my neck using a beauty blender. Then I'm going to be taking this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and you guys, I forgot how much I love this product, and it seriously just highlights everything, covers any blemishes, just blend it in with the same little beauty blender. And then I'm going to be going in with another concealer, and this one just kind of goes over any blemishes or bumps, and I find it really helpful just to do those spots. Then I'm going to be taking this blush from Essence, and I love applying this to the apples of my cheeks and a little bit on my forehead just to kind of have that sun-kissed look, along with some contour just to give my face a little bit more shape and dimension. On top of that, I'm just going to add a little bit of bronzer just to have that summery glow because it is back to school, which is the end of summer. I'm going to be setting all of my concealer and highlight with this cream powder in this sculpting kit that I have from Profusion. These brushes are from Real Techniques. I absolutely love them. They're seriously a game changer. Once that's done, I'm going to be using my favorite highlighter from Pixi, and I just do above my lip, the tip of my nose, above my cheekbone, and underneath my eyebrow using a fan brush. And this highlight is seriously so pretty, you guys. It's so subtle but still popping. Then I'm just going to be taking this big fluffy brush and blending it all together so there's no harsh lines and it just looks very natural. After that, I'm going to be using this Profusion eyebrow pencil, and you guys, I love this. It's so simple because it has this spoolie on one side. I just kind of fill in and kind of shape my eyebrows a little bit, but thankfully I have already like naturally pretty thick eyebrows, so they don't really require that much work. And then I'm going to be going in with some Pixi liquid matte lipstick. Love this stuff. It's so pretty. You can just kind of wear it as is or put gloss on later. Then I'm going to curl my eyelashes and put my mascara on. I have been loving this Essence mascara. It makes my lashes look so long. And I just apply this to the top part, and then I'm going to be taking the L'Oreal Lash Paradise onto the bottom lashes and just kind of add some more to the top lashes just to make it look really dark and more noticeable. And like I said, you can definitely add some lip gloss if you want, and this is my favorite lip gloss. It's from Mary Kay. It's just a really fun beachy bronze color. And one of my outfits that I thought would be fun for back to school is this super cute navy outfit. So I just have my Sperry penny loafers on, this navy skirt, and a solid blue colored t-shirt. Super simple, but I love the two tones of blue, kind of like a fun color block. My super cute necklace from France, my Kate Spade watch, and just some rings. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are seriously so amazing. If you already had your first day, let me know in the comments down below what you guys wore or what you're planning on wearing for your first day. If you haven't had it yet, I would love to know. I'm still trying to come up with the perfect outfit. So if you guys haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. Bye guys!